Hello, I am Mickey McIntyre, the Information Management Librarian at the Rowan University School of Osteopathic Medicine Library. Today I have a quick video on how to reduce your retrieval if your PubMed search just got way too big. As always, the best way to get into PubMed is to go through the library website. That way, you tell PubMed that you are part of Rowan and entitled to see all the journals we subscribe to. So click the PubMed tab, and then click the Search tab. And let's look up the currently trendy gut microbiome. Ooh, 9,786 articles. It was a bit more than I expected. Okay, have no fear. Here are the tricks. First thing to try is to switch from PubMed and go to the MESH database. If it's not right up top, you can scroll down further to find it. Now, the MESH database is the list of approved medical subject headings from the National Library of Medicine. They are all indexed to specific topics, and a search with a subject heading is usually more tight and precise than one just with keywords that you randomly put in. And it shows that gastrointestinal microbiome is the approved phrase. So what we'll do is we'll just go right ahead over to the right-hand side and add to our search builder. And then right under that, search PubMed. Well, that cut the retrieval almost in half, 5,116. That's still more than I intended. There's a few more tricks. Let's hit the back button. We're back to the MESH database, the subject headings. Right over here is a little box that says restrict to MESH major topic. So we'll make sure it's a major facet of the article. Come over to add to search builder again and hit search PubMed again. Let's see, 3,897. We're getting better. Now, maybe there's a lot not in English. I don't see any on the top here, but we can go over here to languages and hit English. If this is not up on your PubMed, you can go to show additional filters and open it. But English is here, so I'll hit English. And that did not do a very good article. That only knocked about 100 out. But here's a really nice one. This is sweet. Look for systematic reviews. Those are the gold standard. Now, this comes up under article types, and if you don't have it under there, click the customize and search for it in the stack. Of course, it's alphabetical, so it's way down there, systematic reviews. Hit show. Now, watch what happens when we go from 3,784 and we insist they are systematic reviews. 80. I would actually advise you to look at all 80 because these are now the cream of the crop and they're perfectly tuned to be gut microbiome. You might find another subheading or a similar subject heading that will reduce it even more. Maybe you want the effects of alcohol. Maybe you want drug effects. But that's a story for another video. Meanwhile, why systematic reviews? This is a definition from Cochrane, who is the premier publisher of systematic reviews. A systematic review summarizes the results of available, carefully designed healthcare studies, usually controlled trials, and provides a high level of evidence on the effectiveness of healthcare interventions. These are definitely the gold standard of articles, so you've got the cream of the crop. And so that's the best way to reduce what you've pulled from PubMed without losing a lot of really important articles. So I hope that helps. Thank you for watching. If you have trouble, feel free to contact one of the librarians by calling the library at 856-566-6800 or clicking the chat button or the Ask a Librarian button on our website at https://www.lib.rowan.edu/som.